All right, here we got an 11 shank applicator. It does have a ground drive pump. It's got the red ball so you can see what's feeding what. It does have, I think the only hookup probably is a light kit on it. It's got the light kit, but it's all mechanical drive. So I believe you set your rates like that. You can add on to this bar if you wanted a bigger one. And that company, I suppose you could get extensions and new coulters and make this a bigger unit. It is 1,000 gallon. This thing's really, really nice. It's got really good tires. Here's your ground drive pump. Goes right up against the tire. There's a cylinder that raises it. Before you roll that around, you may have to raise that up. But it is a John Boy pump, and everything's good and shiny. We just got it in. Looks like it just come out of the barn. There is a wash tank here on the back. Got a little wash tank, and it does have a quick fill light kit. Not much to say. This thing's excellent. These are hard to find. You 12-row guys, this will be a good opportunity for you. And these are well built. They're heavy duty framing. I like the way they're made. This is one of the first one of these I've ever owned. So.